And the first decision that was taken in the meeting was to call this alliance as the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2, as 2.0, sorry, which is the second part of the first MDA alliance. So all unanimously agreed that we should call this the MDA 2, as the partners are the same. And the second resolution we took was that we have decided to also elect the chairman, as the chief minister will be the chairman of the MDA 2, and that is Conrad Sangma will be the chairman of that. Also, we have also decided that in the cabinet, out of the 12 members that are there, 8 will go to the National People's Party, 2 will go to the UDP, 1 will go to the HSPDP, and 1 will go to the BJP. So that is the format of the sharing of the portfolio, the berths, cabinet berths. And out of these 12 cabinet berths, 4 of them, including Chief Minister, will be from the Garo Hills region, and 8 of the cabinet ministers will be from the Khasi Jayantini Hills region. So this decision, of course, was not